The Files app is your iPad's central hub for managing documents, images, and downloads. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet that keeps everything in one place. It doesn't just show files stored locally on your iPad. It also connects to iCloud Drive and even third-party services like Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. That means you don't have to jump between apps to find what you need. With Files, everything is organized and accessible from one simple interface. The sidebar is divided into two sections, and you can collapse or expand each one whenever you need to. The first one for your favorite folders, and another one for your storage locations. Even when the sidebar is collapsed, you still have quick access to your recent and shared documents.